Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Rizda Diani Hopsa, mahasiswi dari STI Sutatmija Subang, Prodi Manajemen semester 3. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan dan juga menjawab reading section skill 5, find pronoun reference. Di sini kita diminta untuk menentukan kata benda yang dirujuk oleh kata ganti. Nah, untuk menemukan yang tepat harus diketahui bahwa kata benda biasanya berada sebelum kata ganti. Langsung ke TOEFL exercise 5. Study each of the passages and choose the best answers to the question that follow. Question 1 until 2. The full moon that occurs nearest the equinox of the sun has become known as the harvest moon. It is bright moon, which allows farmers to work late into the night for several nights. They can work when the moon is at its brightest to bring in the fall harvest. The harvest moon, of course, occurs at different times of the year in the northern and southern hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, the harvest moon occurs in September at the time of the autumnal equinox. In the southern hemisphere, the harvest moon occurs in March at the time of the vernal equinox. Question 1. The pronoun it in line 2 refers to. Let's look at the first sentences. From word the full moon sampai the harvest moon, kita dapat menentukan bahwa pronoun it dalam baris itu menjelaskan bright moon atau full moon yang dikenal sebagai harvest moon. Question 2. The pronoun they in line 2 refers to. The answer is A, farmer. Let's look at the sentences before they. From word it is bright moon sampai for several nights. Di sini kita dapat menemukan bahwa kata they tersebut merujuk kepada seseorang. Dari kata sebelumnya yang dimaksud orang itu adalah seorang petani atau farmer. Question 3 until 4. Mardi Gras, which means Baptist Day in French, was introduced to America by French colonists in the early 18th century. From that time, it has grown in popularity, particularly in New Orleans, and today it is actually a legal holiday in several southern states. Mardi Gras celebration in New Orleans begins well before the actual Mardi Gras Day. Parades, parties, balls, and numerous festivities take place throughout the week before Mardi Gras Day. Tourists from various countries throughout the world flock to New Orleans for the celebration, where they take part in a week of non-stop activities before returning home for some much-needed rest. Question 3. The pronoun it in line 2 refers to. The answer is A, Mardi Gras. Let's look at the first sentences. From word Mardi Gras sampai early 18th century. Di sini kita dapat mengetahui bahwa kata it di baris kedua merujuk kepada perayaan yang diperkenalkan oleh kolonial Prancis pada awal abad ke-18 yang disebut sebagai Mardi Gras. Question 4. The pronoun they in line 6 refers to. The answer is tourist. Let's look at the sentences before they, yang dimulai dari parades sampai for the celebration, sehingga kita dapat mengetahui bahwa kata they di baris ke-6 ini merujuk kepada seseorang. Nah, seseorang dari kata sebelumnya adalah turis. Question 5 until 6. The financial firm Dow Jones and Company computes business statistics every hour on the hour of each of the business days of the years, and these statistics are known as the Dow Jones average. They are based on a select group of stock and bonds that are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. The Dow Jones average are composed of four different types of average. The average price of the common stock of 30 industrial firms, the average price of the common stock for prices of 20 transformation companies, the average price of the common stock prices of 15 utility companies, and an overall average of all the 65 stocks used to compute the first three average. Probably the average that is the most commonly used is the industrial average. It is often used by an investor interested in checking the state of the stock market before making an investment in an industrial stock. Question 5. The pronoun they in line 3 refers to. Let's look at the sentences before they. From word the financial firm Dow Jones sampai Jones average, sehingga kita dapat menentukan bahwa kata they pada baris ketiga tersebut merujuk kepada statistik yang ada di dalam perusahaan tersebut. The next question. The pronoun it in line 8 refers to. The answer is A, the industrial average. Let's look at the sentence before it yang dimulai dari probable, the average, sampai industrial average, sehingga kita dapat menentukan bahwa kata it pada baris ke-8 ini merujuk kepada probable the average that is the most commonly used is the industrial average, yang digunakan oleh para investor yang tertarik memeriksa keadaan pasar saham sebelum berinvestasi. Mungkin itu saja yang dapat saya jelaskan. Mohon maaf bila banyak kekurangan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.